Having flowers in your home such as a rose bouquet not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also has a positive impact on one's health. And artificial flowers have no adverse effects. They are perfect for your workplace, reception and home, etc. Here a decorative flower has been fabricated from a metal plate by involving certain mechanical operations, i.e. cutting, welding, grinding and painting, etc. First of all, a metal plate is cut into design pattern, then all pieces are welded and at last painted. So you will get an amazing artificial flower. A tilt rotor is an aircraft that generates lift and propulsion by way of one or more powered rotors, sometimes called prop rotors, mounted on rotating shafts. Here a rotating shaft with mounted blades is shown by simple combining of three capacitors acting as a store charge and impeller in its center with blades giving a perfect design.